Welcome! In this guide, we'll show you how to integrate AutoTag into your WordPress website. Start by logging in to your Adcash publisher account and opening the Zones section. Find your AutoTag zone. Then click Standard Script. Adcash will show you the setup instructions for AutoTag. One easy way to add these scripts is with the WP Code plugin. Open your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click Add Plugin. Search for WP Code. Install the plugin and activate it. Once WP Code is active, go to Code Snippets and click Add New. Choose the option to add a custom snippet. Set the code type to HTML snippet. Then copy and paste the Adcash library script and the AutoTag script into the code field. Toggle the switch to active and scroll down to the insertion settings. Choose Auto Insert, then select Site-Wide Header as the location. This makes sure the script is loaded across your website. Once the snippet is saved, AutoTag is integrated into your WordPress website.